So what you do is turn on the power 2 times, and the light should come on. And you can use these to reset the mason light. This one is the control left, right, up, or down. So we're gonna do first right now. It's on the screen. So you want to go to home, and now you want to go to the left into application, and push down is enter. Then once you get to here, just scroll down, push enter, and you want to schedule maintenance. So you push enter. You can go down, push enter to reset. You can go to the right and push enter, and that's how you reset it. And now you want to go back. What you're gonna do is just go to left, enter, left, enter, left, enter, and you go back to the screen you wanted, and that's it.